So we know that the buy now, pay later space has just been so hot lately. What do we know about this deal?
Well, the deal will create an online or digital payments powerhouse. And for Jack Dorsey, who's the CEO of both Square and Twitter, it is Square's largest acquisition to date. He says Square and Afterpay have a shared purpose. Quote, together we can connect our Cash App and seller ecosystems to deliver even more products and services for merchants and consumers. Translation, they're really leveraging the popularity of this buy now, pay later platform. Both Square and Afterpay built businesses to make the financial system more fair and accessible and inclusive. Translation, to appeal to the millennials and the younger generation, which they have done. Now, Square recently launched its banking operations, and that includes checking and saving, and it is offering accounts for small businesses and even offering loans. And we're told the combined company will allow for a loan aspect, a buy now, pay later aspect to it. Again, Afterpay does allow consumers to buy now, pay later. What we're going to see with the offer is that it is more than a 30% premium to Afterpay's last close. And we do know the Afterpay board unanimously recommended that its shareholders approve the deal if it goes through. The closing is expected to take place in the first quarter of 2022. Sherry?
So what's next then for the two companies?
Well, what we do know is that this is going to accelerate Afterpay's presence in the U.S. market. Sherry, Heidi, you may remember you both interviewed the co-CEO and co-founder Nick Molnar of Afterpay in late June. He was talking about how they really were becoming the global leader in the buy now, pay later space, and that millennials were really driving this method of payment, which we know took off, really exploded in popularity into the mainstream during the pandemic. And what the company does is it lets consumers buy things and then pay over a period of 4 installments. There's actually no fees or interest on the loan if it's paid on time. And we're seeing a lot of reaction or likely to see reaction in a lot of the relatively new companies that have been built up along this fintech platform to cash in on the popularity, if you will, of this new format. So this will be closely watched and certainly, again, the largest acquisition for Square to date. Back to you.